Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grasp complex ideas effortlessly, while others need more time? Is intelligence something we're born with, or is it shaped by our experiences? In this video, we're diving deep into one of psychology's biggest debates, how nature and nurture interact in shaping intelligence. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll start seeing your own intelligence in a whole new way. Let's get started. Definition of intelligence. First, let's break it down. What exactly is intelligence? Is it just an IQ score, or is it something more? Psychologists define intelligence as a combination of problem-solving ability, logical reasoning, creativity, and adaptability. It's not just about solving math equations, it's also about understanding emotions, navigating social situations, and even thinking outside the box. So where does this intelligence come from? The role of nature, the genetic influence. Let's start with nature, the biological side of intelligence. Studies show that genetics play a significant role in determining intelligence. Identical twins, even when raised apart, often have remarkably similar IQs. Scientists have identified certain genes linked to cognitive ability, and heritability estimates suggest that about 50 to 80% of intelligence can be attributed to genetic factors. But wait, before you think intelligence is all in the genes, let's talk about how the environment steps in to shape those genetic potentials. The role of nurture, the environmental influence. Now let's talk nurture. While genetics provide the foundation, the environment plays a massive role in shaping intelligence. A stimulating childhood with books, problem-solving games, and social interactions can boost cognitive development. On the flip side, factors like malnutrition, stress, and lack of access to education can hinder intellectual growth. Think about it. Why do children raised in intellectually stimulating homes often perform better academically? Because their brains are being trained from an early age. The famous Flynn Effect shows that IQ scores have increased over generations, mainly due to better education and nutrition. So clearly, our surroundings matter. The interaction between nature and nurture. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's not nature or nurture, it's nature and nurture working together. Genetics may set the potential, but the environment determines how much of that potential is reached. Imagine two kids with the same genetic potential for intelligence. One grows up in a home filled with books, curious conversations, and problem-solving activities. The other lacks access to education and proper nutrition. Over time, their intelligence levels can diverge significantly. This is why early childhood development and a supportive learning environment are crucial. How you can maximize your intelligence. So what does this mean for you? The good news is that intelligence isn't set in stone. You can boost your cognitive abilities by engaging in lifelong learning, challenging your brain with puzzles and new skills, maintaining a healthy diet and exercise routine, getting enough sleep and managing stress. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. So, is intelligence in our genes? Yes, but is it also shaped by our environment? Absolutely. The next time you challenge yourself to learn something new, remember, you're actively shaping your intelligence every day. What's one thing you'll do this week to boost your brain power? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. See you in the next video.